Hello everyone, welcome to Bliss Vibes Learning English. In today's lesson, we are going to learn cooking food in English. You are going to know how we celebrate birthdays with family, what special food we prepared on that auspicious day. I am going to share with you useful cooking vocabulary by making a special dish with my daughter on her birthday. Child's birthday is the happiest day of parents' life. It brings cheerful vibes to the family members. We were very excited as our daughter turned 5. We had so many plans to perform on that day. Seeking blessings from the God is a very important ritual of birthday celebration. We begin our day with a visit to the temple near my daughter's school, where she goes every day after her school. In the morning, she celebrates her birthday with teachers and friends at school. Coming back home, we start to prepare rice pudding. Rice pudding is an integral part of our cuisine as we are Bengali. Rice pudding, locally known as payesh or poromanno, is offered to the gods or goddesses. A baby's first rice eating ceremony or celebrating a birthday. A Bengali mother, whether she is rich or poor, working woman or housewife, that doesn't stop her. She never forgets to make rice pudding on her child's birthday. Let's start making rice pudding. First, take 3 cups of gobinda rice. We always use this rice to make our pudding delicious. This rice looks round and small in size. It will add wonderful taste and aroma. If you can't get it, you can use freshly harvested raw rice. Then take 4 cups of sugar. New date palm jaggery would be the best option if you can get it. We are using brown sugar as we could not get date palm jaggery in Mumbai right now. Next, take 2 spoons cashew, 1 spoon raisin, 1 spoon almond to garnish, 2 spoons cow ghee, bay leaves, cardamom and cinnamon. Let me show you cooking utensils we need. We are taking 1 big aluminium pot, 1 steel pot for boiling water, 1 strainer, 1 cup and big spoon to measure the ingredients, 1 serving bowl and tablespoon. We need 1 pan also. At first, take 4 cups water, boil it in a bowl, wash rice and keep in a strainer. Then keep aside boiled water. Take a pan. When it will be hot enough, pour 1 spoon ghee, add bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon, cashew and toss it. Fry it for some time. Then add rice and toss it again. Stir slowly. Be careful. Rice must not be broken. After some time, add boiled water. Next, stir it well. Add a pinch of salt and cover it with lid. Cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. After that, add rice with boiled milk. When rice will be soft and boiled well, only then add sugar. Previously, when I was making rice pudding, milk was curdled after adding sugar. This time, I apply a new idea. I make sugar syrup and then add it. Well, let it boil for 2 minutes and then add ghee, raisin, crushed cardamom and stir it well for the last time. Now, rice pudding is ready to serve. I have garnished it with dry fruits and homemade sweets.